Welcome to a very cold boat. It's 3 degrees outside today, so it's lots of jerseys, and I'm wearing shoes inside. Don't tell anyone. And for this cold temperature, today we're building in the fridge, and we're building the fridge in over here, which used to be the old cooker used to be in here, but we will be having a small gas cartridge cooker which will go on the top here, and which leaves this whole space free for the fridge. So that means we have to start looking into how we can take this apart, how we can fit the fridge in there, and then we'll go from there. Quick little tour. Here we go, looking towards forward. And there is the fridge. That's the side view, and it'll have to be built in over here. We'll have a look. I want to see how much of these compartments that I can keep, because I actually like a lot of the compartments. Because we've got one door here, that one will definitely have to go. And there's another compartment down here which I would like to keep because it was very useful when we were sailing April in the summer last year. Right. That's it. I'm going to put some music on now and put you into fast forward. Fixing things the Russian way. So the whole thing needs to go down by quite a bit. Alright, so it's all not quite as easy and simple as I thought it was going to be. So that's boat building. Never is. Oh, it's really smoky down here. I mean, that's just the flex going through the stuff in it, but it's getting cold in here. So as you can see, my breath is getting really cold in here now. Alright. Oops. Time to go into the workshop and see if we can sort this out. It's not so easy. Nothing is. I'm trying to just install a simple thing. And next thing, you're taking the boat apart.